Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Gmail settings you need to turn off now. So basically we're just going to focus in settings. You have to go to settings and then click this see all. We're just going to change or turn off some settings here under general. Okay, so as you can see there is this language, phone number, maximum page. So we have to focus in this part right here, and as you can see it can only show 50 conversations per page. Now, if you want to change this one, or if you want to turn up this 50 and then switch to 100 per page, then it's possible. You just have to click this arrow facing down if you want to have at least 100 conversation per page, because as you can see, 50 or less than that, it's kind of hassle for you to tap next to see the conversation. So, for example, per day you receive 100 conversation or more, then it would be easier for you. Also, this undo send, you need to change this to a 30. Okay, so whenever you send something and you think it's like a mistake, then you still have 30 seconds to undo the message. So turn off 5 and switch to 30. Also, you can tap any of this here if you don't want to reply or reply all. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done with this maximum page and undo, then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So for example, I'm going to send a message to someone, but let's just say I mistakenly sent it to someone and I want to undo the message right here. So as you can see, if you have 5 seconds to undo, then it would be impossible for you to undo the message right away. So you have to turn off that and then change to 30. So at least you have 30 seconds to undo a message. Let's just say you are not an English speaker, or let's just say you have different language. So you have to turn off this grammar or spelling or autocorrect. All you have to do is to click this grammar suggestions off, spelling suggestions off, especially this autocorrect. So you have to click this autocorrect off. So if you type something and it's kind of unfamiliar for them or for Google, then it will not, suggest you to autocorrect it. So basically, that's how you turn off grammar, spelling, and autocorrect. Also, if you go to inbox and if you want to see like promotion, social updates only, then you have to turn off these forums and other things right here. So as you can see, if you tap this promotion, social, and updates, you will see this primary promotion, social updates, and you need to turn off these forums if you don't want to see this. So basically, these are just a few things you need to turn off before using your Gmail. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or do something like a specific tutorial, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel.